Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. We'll ask you some questions and you have to reply.
Do you always smile?
Yes, I prefer to always smile because smile is very good for health, and it seems like very comfort to the other persons.
It makes other person comfortable.
It
Or it
makes
looks good to other person. Yeah.
it looks
It
good.
looks.
It looks to it looks to good.
It looks good to other person.
It's look good to other person. So the answer of the question is yes. I am smile.
Yeah, I like to smile.
I like to smile.
All right. Or I love to smile.
love to
Or
smile.
I always have a smile on my face.
Okay.
Let's go on.
Do you like smiling?
It's the same question almost, right? So, do you like smiling when you meet people?
Yes, of course. When I meet the people, I love to smile because people are very getting comfortable.
People get comfortable
People get comfortable when I was smiling.
when I smile.
When I smile,
Or instead of saying people get comfortable, you should say people feel comfortable when I smile.
and I built more and strong relation with people's with my smile. So
Okay, with my smiles, that's good.
Can-
Right? Yeah, please.
Can you recognize a fake smile?
no, it's depend upon situation.
It depends on the situation.
It's,
It depends. It depends
it depends
on the situation.
on the situation. The fake smile may be occur in when the boss makes a fake joke.
Okay, yeah, and you have to say like
So
that.
then
Okay.
I become
I give a fake smile.
I give a fake smile. So the answer of your question, it depends upon situation.
Okay, and the situation is when your boss is telling you a joke,
Joke.
and you have to smile.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So overall, it's fine. I'll ask you one last question. Do you think welcoming smile is important?
Yes, welcoming smile is very important because the first impression is the last. So that's why I prefer welcoming smile. And my answer is yes.
It is crucial to give a welcome smile, something like that. Overall, it is good. Some of your answers are short. Try to add some more and be confident. Organize your answer. Make up your mind that if the question is asked, I will answer like this. Okay?
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.